Hi, let's talk today about ES modules, React.lazy, and UX strengths. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Neal posted a tutorial titled Using TypeScript to build a Node API with Express. This detailed guide walks through building a simple and secure Node application using TypeScript, Express on a backend side, Vue and Okta, a hosting authentication service, on the frontend. Axel Rauschmayer posted a current state of ES modules in Node.js and an implementation roadmap, including extended support of CommonJS. The stable release is going to be shipped in Node version 14. In the article npm package permissions, Gilbertson muses about the idea, what if, just like apps on our phones, npm packages had to declare what permissions they required, and proposes several options that might fix current issues. But could it be put into play without breaking the entire package ecosystem? We'll see. If you're interested in PWA's future, as I am, you might be interested in the article Is There a Cold War Between Android and Chrome Because of PWAs? By Maximilian Furtman. The author listed facts and described the current state of PWA on Android platform and expresses his opinion regarding possible reasons why the Android team might push back PWA as a platform. With AWA Lambdas, new layer feature and custom runtimes, you can now build your own custom artifacts, enabling you to share and manage common code between serverless functions. Running Node.js 11 on AWS Lambda is a short instruction how to implement that. Web development in 2019 is a yearly step-by-step guide to becoming a web developer in 2019, including the necessities as well as some of the new trends. In this video, Jake and Surma chat about background fetch. It performs in the background, provides the result via a service worker event, and allows the user to monitor, pause and cancel them. In the post, The Elements of UI Engineering by Dema Bremov, you can read about tasks that should be solved in a great UI. Solving them makes you better as a developer. Eric Elliott, in his turn, also provided a list of top JavaScript frameworks and topics to learn in 2019. In this list, the author rated the most required technologies, from React, Angular, Vue to AI and XR. In tutorial, you use React.lazy and Suspense to code split your app by Harry Wolf. You can learn how to split code in a server-rendered app using loadable components and React Loadable. Arfad Salman, in his turn, posted an article titled The Chronicles of JavaScript Objects. Here, you can find a back-to-basics tour of what objects are in JavaScript and how they behave. Here is one more article by Dana Bremf, Things I Don't Know as of 2018. It's not a technical one, but about a developer's life. We can admit our knowledge gaps without devaluating our expertise. It's worth reading. I used the web for a day using a screen reader. Chris Ashton made another attempt to use the internet as a real user, this time as a visually impaired user. All his findings the author noted in this post. Take a look. One more article regarding web accessibility topic is Building Web Accessibility for 2019 by Alexander Surkov. The author describes modern tools to support web accessibility, difficulties that a web developer has with them, and provides the scenario of the solution. You can read this article at Sorcerer blog. The last but not least point for today is the article, namely 7 UX and UI Trends on e-learning by Teresa Myra. Here you can find a list of improvements that promote an autonomous learning process, be engaging, dynamic and accessible to provide better learning journeys. If you liked this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.